headquarters in Bangalore, Karnataka. I'm here today with Akshay from Chimpex AI. They're doing some tremendous work. We're stoked to have him. Akshay, tell us a little bit about yourself and your Web3 journey.
Hey Tony, thanks for having me. Glad to be here. And GM, everyone who's watching right now. About me, I've been in the crypto space since 2016 and it's been almost like 80, it's almost 7.5 years. Actively working in the crypto industry. I started like everyone. I started exploring Bitcoin and stumbled upon Ethereum as well, and the ecosystem of DeFi. Then I worked with a couple of startups and companies like Delta Exchange, where I got into trading and a lot of problems that were there in the DeFi ecosystem. So me, along with my previous business partners, we thought of doing something about DeFi, how we can make it simple. And the idea for Chimpex AI was born. So the idea was simple. There are so many chains, so many wallets and everything. So we wanted to simplify all of this, and that's what Chimpex AI is meant to do. And that's how we uh, navigated this journey for the last 2.5 years.
Okay, we're True OG. Tell us a little bit more about the team that's cooking this.
So we are a team of 11 right now. We three of us are the co-founders who initially worked in multiple businesses, and right now we stand at a tech team of 4 people, and rest of the team is marketing and management. We have backgrounds from different industries, from Web3 marketing to building IT products, and in Web2 we used to build IT products and a marketing agency as well. So we thought, why not combine this? We took our own areas of expertise and started working on the idea. The team, me, Saurabh, and Rahul are the co-founders. So Rahul manages the operations, and Saurabh manages the financials. He's the CFO, and we have our tech team based out here in India as well. So the whole team is in India, but scattered around different cities. Yeah.
All right, very cool. Tell us a little bit more about the problem that y'all are solving for.
Yes. So the problem that we feel that in DeFi, and we have taken feedback from many of the people on the CT as well, that it's complex for the beginners when they enter into crypto in general, and when they come into DeFi, they just get scattered across many chains and ecosystems. So someone is in different chain, someone is in different chain, and then on top of that, there are different dApps that a user has to do. So as a person who is in actively managing their DeFi portfolio, they have to manage it through 10 multiple dApps. And on top of that, you have to measure your gas fees and how you're going to move your funds around each and everything. So you have to do it all manually. There are very few dApps who can do it all together. So that is the main problem. So save time and fees and make it the whole process, because at the end user doesn't need to know all the technical things that are in front. Like in Web2, when we use normal software, we don't get to use all the technical stuff. There is just an interface we interact with, and our most of the tasks are done in the backend. So I think in Web3 we should remove all the technicalities and complexities. The focus should be on getting the end results. So that's what we are trying to solve, making DeFi simpler.
Yeah, absolutely. Amen. Why don't we go ahead, share your screen? Let's poke in, see what it actually looks like.
Yeah, absolutely.
And while you're sharing, was kind of curious behind the name Chimpex AI. Tell us more how that kind of came about.
Sure. So, what happens was when we were, thinking of the idea of what should the project look like. Uh, Obviously, the NFTs were a trend at that time, and people associated with the Bored Ape Yacht Club and a couple of more NFTs like that. And we thought, why go for a boring name that stands like a corporate entity, but it should feel like that it's decentralized, it's fun to be, where people or users using it can associate themselves with. And later on we have planned to introduce NFTs as well, so that it can connect to the token utility as well as a product. So when people hold it, they hold the part of the product membership that they have for the product.
Okay,
Yeah.
tight. So yeah, we're in the app now. Walk us around, show us how it works.
Yes. So when you click on launch super app, so this is the whole functionality. So it's basically a super app. Instead of using 10 different apps for different actions, you just use one app and it does it all for you. So what is there? Let me just guide you through the screen once so that everybody knows what's that. Okay, once you connect your wallet, you can use, connect your any wallet. I'll just disconnect my wallet for just once and make sure that you saw the sign up process as well.
Okay, very seamless.
Yeah. So when you click on launch super app, there's an onboarding process that guides you through. So basically, you get credits for using the product. Later on it will be let me just show you itself how it works. So I'll have to connect a different wallet just to show you.
Hmm. So connecting multiple wallets at the same time, right?
Yeah, most of the wallets are supported beginning, so you can connect any wallet that you have, or you because let me guide you what's powering this whole thing. Universal account. This is the account that you get through which you get gasless trading. So what we are proud of and offering that you have to hold gas tokens to trade. You don't have to need to hold any. You can just deposit USDT, USDC, or any stable coin, and then you don't need any gas fees to trade. So you can just deposit here, and apart from this, you get your portfolio here as well, credits to use the product. Now coming to this, you have your universal account. So this is the main thing. You can deposit and withdraw your assets right from the right here from the screen, and you see your assets right here, all of your assets plus your positions. If you have any positions like you have lending, borrowing, or any that kind of stuff, or staking as well, all your positions will show here, and you get your hoots. Hoots are basically for any activity that you do on the platform, you earn hoots. Hoots convert to chimp token, which will be at the TGE. So anyone who is doing any activity, they will be converted into to get chimp token directly as a ROM. Okay, so you get all of that if you want your total balance, your positions. If you want to swap or bridge, we have given a manual option, but you can also go for the main thing here, which is super tap. So here you can swap, bridge, lend, and borrow. You can see your Aave positions, market, portfolio, token analysis. Let's say if I want to see my portfolio, you can go to Universal Wallet to see as well, but you can just ask the agent to bring it for you. It can show you here. If you want to see any tokens, you can just get any token address and just copy it, and it will do the analysis for you. Plus it supports multiple languages as well. It supports up to 24 languages from Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Hindi as well. So like a lot of languages are supported. If I want to make a swap, I can choose a pre-written command, or I can customize it. I can say, okay, swap. For example, I'll just say one USDT to one USDT on BNB, and it will try to find the best route possible for you. It'll get you the best code. Plus, the platform fee is very low. It's only 0.1%, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And you just confirm swap, and the transaction will take place in your MetaMask or any other wallet that you use. It's as simple as that. So you don't need to find the best code out there and do the whole manual process. And I'll tell you how you can make it even more faster. Because we are using gasless trading, so even if you don't have any gas tokens, for example Solana or BNB, you won't require it. The gas fees
Gotcha.
will be
And
coming
how
from
were y'all
USDT
able
itself.
to provide gasless transactions? It's super cool.
Yes, through this universal account. So we have a partnership here with Particle Network, which allows us to provide gasless trading. So we route the transactions and we cover the gas fees on the back end, so that user doesn't have to pay for every single transaction fee.
Amazing. Epic partnership.
Yes. So yeah, this is pretty much it, and you can try out any single thing. It's basically gives you options for it can remember anything, your prompts and chat history, and based on that it can give you suggestions. And one thing that I was going to tell you about, like you just saw me do a swap, and any person, any even a kid can just type like chat gpt anything they want to do, and just tell it to the agent and it will find the best route for you, so you do not have to go manually to it. Plus you can make it even faster. You can approve the amounts which will be we'll rolling out soon. You can approve any token. Let's for example, I want to approve 100 USDC and I want to trade that. You can just to confirm and the trade will happen, like it will be instant trade. And you can get Aave markets or any other action you want to try, and the agent will get the best markets for you, where you can find the best opportunities to stake your coin and lend and borrow, etc. It says USDC, you can get 2.23 APY. You can just select it, and it will basically uh, stake your assets here and
Gotcha.
get the
So is it
returns.
able to scan both dexes and sexes, or what is the scan? Where's that coming from?
Just yes, yes. So right now we have entirely made it dex oriented because it's a decentralized
Yeah,
product and we are not keeping any
makes sense.
data. Other thing about when you sign up using your wallet, any wallet, when this universal account is created, this is your own account. Like you get an own deposit and withdrawal address, and it is so you don't we don't have any access to your wallet as well. So like
Right,
you can find meme coins, portfolios, lending opportunities, taking etc.
yeah,
All of that here, and
right.
perps will be coming soon as well.
Yeah, I love that use case. Like being able to see, the rates on different dexes is insanely clutch, especially for
Correct.
like mid to high volume traders.
Yes, absolutely. So that is the case. And now the main part is that, okay, we have your portfolio credits and everything here. So you can see that I tried a couple of commands and my credits got deducted. So like each credit is, utilized when you do a prompt. Later on, this will be a paid feature. Right now, we are giving free access of 3,000 credits to anyone who signs up before TGE. Later on, it will be turned into a pro feature, and you'll have to sign up using the chimp token, which where the utility of the token comes in as well. So you'll have to stake the chimp token to get credits. But if you pay via stable, let's say the plan is $100 and you pay via chimp token, it will cost you at least $75. So it'll be cheaper if you buy it through the chimp token. And for the governance and features, the chimp token is also utilized to reward users on a trading journey. So we have hoots here. So you get we that there are total 10 billion hoots in total supply, and we are distributing hoots actively. 43 million has already been distributed to 8,609 gems, and you can get the leaderboard and everything. The season one is here, and there are always new tasks for users who are looking to earn hoots. They can do this task and pretty much earn it. Most of the hoots are earned via the volume, but the
Mm,
main criteria will be perps. So once perps goes live, this hoot system will go insane.
okay. Yeah, that's so fresh. I love the name Hoots, first of all, and then yeah, I love how gamified this part of the app is. That is sweet.
Thank you.
Yeah, super cool. Anything else in the product you'd like to show us?
Yeah, so coming back to the Mojo Super app. So right now, as you can see, you have only these kind of actions that are available, but we have added a manual swap feature. So like, because we noticed a trend and got a feedback from the community, they're used to trading on the super app through the AI. They are the more probable to use the manual feature by themselves, like buy the token. So you can use this manual feature to bridge funds across multiple chains as well as swap here. And there will be more features which are not shown here but are already live. So it supports multiple languages. And if you want to know how it works, you can just go through the process. Want to set up a new chat is here, but you want to see a chat history, it's like ChatGPT here. You can do basically simple stuff, and the news chat can be done. And plus, what else? You can get news on this agent. So like if I want to get news, what is happening in BTC, what is the BTC Bitcoin price right now, or any other thing that I want to know, it'll try to fetch the most relevant and latest information for you. We are also adding support for other things like Oh yeah, it doesn't have access to portfolio data. Okay, so I can get it via my portfolio as well if I have that in. Plus it can get the main thing that we are working on is perps as well as social trends. So like you have you want to get information on KOLs and what is trending right now in the market in terms of memes and other stuff or any particular narrative. It will pull up that narrative via the X feeds as well. So that is
Okay.
in pipeline and will
Yeah.
activate it soon.
Word. That's on point. Tell us a little bit more about that product roadmap. What is the next year looking like? I know you want to add perps, and that's gonna make things pop off. But talk to us more about it.
Yes. So the most important thing that we are focusing right now is obviously after perps goes live, the volume and trading competitions will come in next after that, so that people have chance to earn more chim token via the hoots. So the trading competition will take place, which will reward users in USDT as well as chim tokens in daily. Plus, it will have an airdrop feature. What I mean by that? So people in crypto are more eager to earn airdrops via active trading activity, and we have a plan in place where we will partner with the projects who want to run trading competitions directly on Chimpex, and they get to earn airdrops on a daily basis. So like no waiting for the TG to happen. We only partner with the projects which have a token live. Second thing, the most important part of the whole Chimpex narrative is this is a customer facing product, like where users, everyday users like you and me, who manages our DeFi portfolio, they can get a single interface where they can see their assets without gas fees. They can manage their positions and do all of their actions pretty much easily. This is a customer facing product. Now coming to the B2B product that is in the pipeline, which is the agent as a service, which is called us. It's a funny name, but agent as a service is the one thing that we have been working on for quite a while, and it will offer simple access to directly for the chimp interface for any project or any company in the crypto and web2 space. If they want to just integrate it, they'll have a widget which they can install and get a membership to. The membership will be done via the chimp token, and simple as that, you will see a widget on multiple web3 projects which offer maybe something related to RWA. There may be NFTs, or they may be doing some lending and borrowing, but they don't offer swapping or other functionalities like this. But they offer their user a full suite of services. The agent as a service from Chimpex AI will just be embedded into these protocols, and they can access pretty much everything that you see on the screen right here from the simple widget that is in the pipeline. It is a B2B product, and it will be launched in at least 2 to 3 months from now.
Okay, very cool. Anything else in the platform you'd like to show us?
That's pretty much about it. So basically,
Okay.
it's simple. These are the most of the actions that can be done. So idea is to make it simple, not loaded with a lot of features that people get confused with. Pretty much basic stuff that you can do on a daily basis instead of spending a lot of time. It can be done in minutes.
Yeah, absolutely. The UX is sensational, and yeah, love how easy it is to use and also gamified at the same time. So it has like a really
Absolutely.
cool mix and yeah, some great capabilities.
Thank you.
So talk to us more about the token and its utility.
Yes. So, chip token is, obviously we wanted to not follow a standard structure where just token is, later on used for governance only or maybe for staking. So we wanted to, integrate the token. We first thought of the utility, and the token came in later. So the utility was that obviously people will require, and it is important for the agent as a service part. So the customer centric are standard pretty much. So you get to buy the membership of the product, the Chimpex AI. There will be different tiers. Based on your tier, you can access more credits, and these credits can be bought through stables or cards or anything. But with Chimp, you'll get a simple discount, an instant discount on your credits. And then obviously there's this governance. People can so it's a super app. So any project that needs to be added, let's say for example prediction market, which is the next trending thing right now. We have already got a request from the community that please add prediction market, which is in the pipeline. So these kind of features and apps can be integrated into the super app directly via the governance. People can vote for proposals, and through Chimp they can vote, and we these apps and features can be integrated. The decisions can be made by the community. Third important most thing is agent as a service, where this token is utilized. So any protocol which gets the widget, and there will be multiple tiers. It's not just a simple widget that people can opt for. They can customize their branding. They can make the agent a fully fledged web based product as well into their own custom branding. This can be done, but they'll have to buy a stake in Chimp tokens. They'll have to buy and stake it for them to use it, and all the fees that comes from the basic tiers of the plans for these B2B service, all that will be used to buy back and burn Chimp directly. So we have a separate B2B platform that will power the Chimp token directly, because the volume and the traction that comes through these protocols will be huge in collaboration, and we it will put a significant effect in Chimp tokens future as well.
Yeah, for sure. Sweet. Well, appreciate it so much. It's been super informative. Really sick product. Yeah, where can we find out more information about you, the team, and Chimpex?
Absolutely. So you can just go to x.com and type Chimpex AI into the search bar.
Mhm.
And yeah, pretty much you will in fact get all the information from there. Plus, if you go to the website chimpex.ai, you can find the docs, the Telegram community link, as well as the X there. Uh, you can pretty much get all the information here. We have announcements coming in live on a daily basis. We have new features as well as campaigns running with many of our partners right now. If you go into the X or even Telegram community, you'll find the latest information there. You can find the docs on the website as well. We have just implement the whole uh, uh, UI UX based on the community feedback as well. Just wanted to let you know, we had an old branding a few a week back, but we got at least 1,000+ feedback from the community. We took a survey and we asked them, okay, what's missing in Chimpex AI? What we need to do to make sure that you feel like, okay, I can use this product on a daily basis. And we got the feedback, and this is the result. We have implemented all of the features that were requested, and some more are in pipeline. So if you want to get any updates, you just go to our X handle Chimpex AI, and you can pretty much get it.
Okay, appreciate it. Thank you so much, and we'll chat soon.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Tony. Have a good one.